Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to talk about how to build self confidence, strong self confidence when we are in a very troublesome, conflicted situation. This is going to be your workplace or your home, that you are in a very low level, so you want to build your self confidence. I am going to tell you 5 ways how to build your self confidence when you are in a very problematic way. This must be the COVID problem also. The first thing is, if you have the people that all around you is putting negativity, rooming and gossiping, doing so many things, the first thing is stay away from the negative people. If you can, disconnect them, don't talk to him, don't text to him. If you can, relocate or not see these people. This is going to be good, because if you aware or not, when you are living in a place or area that people already spreading negative energies to you, it almostly affect you also. So the first thing is stay away from the negative people. The second thing is focus on yourself all the time. Focus on yourself. If people negative around you, gossiping around you, stand in a very quiet place and think why they are doing this to you. The main reason is people gossiping about someone is that they see that thing that they don't like. The main problem is sometimes you have a beautiful body, they don't have, so the only one thing they can do it put you down is gossiping, because people already like to listen other people are telling very good things around you. This is a very egoistic mind now. You have to wear that. People have attitude that if they can't get your attention though, so if they have no any attitude about such a good attitude about you, so the only thing they can do it put you down, so that you almost think that, oh, I am not good. That is the second thing. So focus on what good attitudes you have, why they people jealous, so what is the reason that people already gossiping about you. You have to be aware of that, so that you can improve. If you have a bad attitude, so that you can rebuild it, you can stay away from the bad attitude. If you have a good attitude, you can improve that. This is a good thing. Second thing. The third thing is, this is that you have to do all the thing to yourself. I think don't get that this is that you have to be selfish. No, you have to be selfish when comes to your skills, because sometimes giving every attention to the other people and giving everything to the other people is not going to be good, because people like to take other people every reasons. This is the way the people all mostly want. They want to take everything from the other people without giving one thing to that person. So if you have a good profession or if you have skills, use this all skill to build yourself, build your way. Okay, to do that, you have to make sure what kind of attitudes and skills you have. This is really important to you, because self confidence always coming from the skills also. When you have so many skills, you are very comfortable. That is the way I am also, because if you don't have so many skills, go and learn that. Learning is important now. If you think that you don't have more skills to do everything, go and study, get that knowledge, This is going to be good, improving yourself and going your self confidence almost raising very high. The fourth thing is, don't share your ideas with other people. Most of the time, your professional ideas, your romantic situation, your problems. The fourth thing is to build your self confidence is, don't share knowledge, not for bad way. I am getting that if you have idea to the next year you will build this kind of a profession, you are going to this kind of a place, don't share with other people. The most probably when you are sharing with other people, the people already jealous around you, so they sometimes they are doing so many things to put you down and not give the chance to go to that level, not reaching out to the level. So you have to make sure that keep all the things into yourself, don't share. The 5 is working, working, giving so many times to your skills and confidence, because although we have you everything, if you are not working so hard, that is not going to be work, because working is more important, putting your effort to build yourself. Don't think that someone come and give you help, don't ask help from other people, don't ask, think what can I do to build your relationship or your skills to make sure go to this profession, to go to this goal. Always think about what you have to do, not think that how are you getting help from the other people, how are you maintaining your things from other people, using them and get help from them. Don't think to get help. Make sure that when you are doing these 5 steps into your life, your self confidence almost going high, because the first thing is, if you can control other people, not from your words, from your work, you are the best, because one time, two times, three times, four times, five times people already pushing negative around you, but you are almost rejecting them because you are not listening to them, they don't care, always putting you first. They are almost unable to do this again and again, they are almost getting conflicted by you, then their action is following you, following you, following you. So your self confidence almost going high now. That is why I told you, build your self confidence is more important to the one thing. The most important thing is know about you, not knowing about other people. You have to work so hard to know about yourself, what things you have, what things you want to accomplish, what you don't have, what is your weakness, why are you conflicted, what is your problem. Make sure that, I think this 5 steps, it will help you to understand about yourself. I will talk another topics in near future. Until that, thank you very much for listening.